In this video, we'll take a look at the image fields within personalization. In order to create an image field in a print template, the very first thing I need to do is create an image set. In the menu item Print Template Images, I need to create such an image set. That means up here we have the button for it. You can think of the image set like a folder on the server where the images are uploaded. Or also when the customer uploads the images, this is where they are then saved. I'll just call my image set Video. As always, I set the status at the bottom to OK. And then there's another setting here, Image Upload by the customer. For now, I'll select Simple Upload. I'll show the other options later on. Once I've done that, I can open my print template into the layout editor. And now we can pretend that this is a business card with a portrait. That means I have the button up here, New Image Field. I can place the image field here. Similar to the text boxes, if he doesn't use the image field here, let's call it that, portrait. Normally I would also specify XY values, width and height. And now, this is important, down here is the corresponding image set. That's why we created it earlier. If we take a look at the whole thing in the front end, we can now see that we have the option to upload here. Here, thanks to the settings in the image set, the customer can do a simple upload. They can upload a file from their hard drive. Let's do that now. I upload the image and can now select it here accordingly. And then it is inserted into the personalization. We do it in such a way that we use the maximum width or the maximum height, at least in this setting of the image field. Now let's take a look at the other configuration options in the image field. If we switch back to the backend, go to Print Templates, Images, and edit the video image set again. Down here, the simple upload setting we just saw means that the customer can upload an image from their hard drive, and nothing else happens with it. We also have the option Upload with Crop Check. Let's activate that. With checking, right? This checking part can be found here under Settings in the image set. Here, for example, I can check which file formats are allowed. So for example, I could exclude a specific format here or add certain formats. I can set for the different image formats how many DPI it should be and which color space should be used. On the front end, it looks like this. If we refresh here and perform the upload again, that after the successful upload process, with careful checking and precise cropping, in other words, specifically focusing on the cropping part of the operation, I now have to meticulously crop the entire image to accurately fit the exact dimensions of the designated image frame. And the checking, you can maybe trigger that by selecting a particularly small section here. For the JPEG, the system now recognizes that the image quality is not optimal. 150 dpi was set, but this is now, of course, significantly less. Now you could also set what happens in the event of such an error, whether we just want to notify the user or actually block the order because of it. Back in the image set, there's one last option, Simple Upload without image selection. I'll show you this option as well if I set it here, update it once and delete the image again, and then add an image, you might notice the difference. The moment I select the file from my hard drive here, it is uploaded immediately. So without a modal, without any validation. We like to use this function when logos or similar items need to be uploaded where you don't necessarily want to crop anything.